Hello and welcome to Gadgets Shanti. If you like our content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. All the links to the products are in the description below.
Number 1. The Breville Smart Oven Air with Element IQ system is a multifunctional countertop oven that offers a variety of cooking options, including roasting, air frying, and dehydrating. This powerful appliance uses super convection technology to reduce cooking time by up to 30% and features 13 cooking functions to guide you to perfect results every time. The Element IQ system is a unique feature that utilizes 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to steer power to where and when it's needed, creating the ideal cooking environment. The system also features sensing and digital PID temperature control that eliminates cold spots and ensures precise and even cooking. The air fry and dehydrate settings are particularly impressive, allowing you to air fry French fries and other family favorites to crispy golden perfection. The higher temperatures, combined with super convection, maximized airflow to ensure even heat distribution. You can also dehydrate a wide range of foods, with the capacity for up to 4 trays of goodness at once. The Breville Smart Oven Air offers greater cooking control with its 2-speed convection fan, which provides a greater volume of hot air for fast and even heat distribution. The appliance's extra-large 21.5 by 17.1 by 12.7 inch interior has the capacity to hold up to 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, air-frying French fries, and slow cooking with a 5-quart Dutch oven. It's also large enough to fit most 9 by 13 inch pans and 12-cup muffin trays. The integrated oven light is a convenient feature that automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle to help you see inside. It can also be turned on at any time to monitor your progress. The LCD display is another user-friendly feature that allows you to easily access the built-in smart functionality and all cooking functions. It also indicates when preheat has completed and automatically begins to count down the cooking time for perfect results. Included accessories such as the 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, 9 by 13 inch broil rack and enamel roasting pan, and mesh basket rack for dehydrating and air frying make the Breville Smart Oven Air even more versatile. With its powerful features and versatile cooking options, this appliance is a great addition to any kitchen. Number 2.
Looking for a slow cooker that combines stunning design with top-of-the-line performance? Look no further than the Crockpot 8-quart slow cooker in black stainless steel. Part of the black stainless collection, this programmable slow cooker is a true standout in any kitchen. With its warm, soft finish that sets it apart from traditional stainless steel appliances, the Crockpot black stainless steel slow cooker is both stylish and easy to maintain. Simply wipe with a dry cloth to keep it looking lustrous and like new. But this slow cooker isn't just about looks. It also boasts an impressive 8-quart capacity that can feed more than 10 people, as well as a digital timer that counts down cook times of up to 20 hours. Plus, when your countdown is done, the automatic warming function kicks in, ensuring your meal stays warm and ready to serve. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe lid and stoneware pot, and if you're looking for inspiration, a book of classic Crock-Pot recipes is included. Upgrade your kitchen with the Crock-Pot black stainless steel slow cooker and enjoy superior performance and stunning design in one convenient package.
Number 3. Mueller Ultra Stick 500-watt multi-purpose hand blender. Get ready to speed up your cooking and baking with Mueller Ultra Stick 500-watt multi-purpose hand blender. With extra sharp stainless steel blades, it can blend, puree, or mix dense ingredients quickly and easily. This 3-in-1 blender boasts a 500 watts motor and ergonomic handle for increased kitchen power and comfort. Now you can enjoy homemade lattes with ease. Simply attach the frother head and create customized hot drinks in minutes. Choose from 9 customizable speeds depending on your preferred pace and task at hand. Turbo mode provides an extra burst of power for high-resistance, dense recipes. Cleaning up is a breeze. Detach your chosen attachment and place it in the dishwasher. Save space and money with Mueller's stainless steel handheld blender, which includes 3 different appliances in one. Enjoy a practical design that streamlines your cooking and baking experiences. Number 4. Introducing the Ninja Air Fryer XL, a game changer in the world of cooking appliances. This innovative air fryer lets you cook your favorite foods quickly and easily, without the need for excessive amounts of oil. With a family-sized 5.5-quart basket, you can cook and crisp up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings, making it a perfect choice for families or those who like to entertain. But that's not all. This versatile appliance comes with 5 cooking programs, allowing you to air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate a wide range of dishes. Whether you're in the mood for some crispy chicken wings, perfectly roasted vegetables, or some healthy homemade snacks, the Ninja Air Fryer XL has got you covered. And with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can indulge in your favorite foods without feeling guilty. Another great feature of the Ninja Air Fryer XL is its non-stick, nano-ceramic basket, which is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Plus, its wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. And for those who love dehydrated foods, this appliance can even create flat, chip-like snacks thanks to its low fan speed and low temperature settings. In summary, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is a powerful and versatile appliance that will make cooking and entertaining a breeze. Its family-sized capacity, multiple cooking programs, and easy-to-clean design make it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 5.
Experience professional-level performance with the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, featuring a powerful 1,500-watt motor base that quickly tackles all your blending and food processing needs. The system includes an XL 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, which effortlessly pulverizes ice into snow for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies, with a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces. Additionally, the XL 8-cup food processor bowl provides even chopping and can make up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. You can also create personalized juices and smoothies on the go with the 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cup, complete with a to-go lid. The dough blade and chopping blade are also included, allowing you to mix up doughs and process ingredients for recipes. For your convenience, all cups, blades, and lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy the freedom to cook, serve, and savor with the professional power of the Ninja Mega Kitchen System.